Siva here, founder of Lyzr. Today we're going to see an agent blueprint that's been preferred by the recruitment teams of large enterprises to automate their recruitment processes. You don't have a choice as a recruiter. You have to do a lot of mundane work in order to get to the right candidates and eventually get them to join the organization. So it all starts with the job description coming in from the hiring manager to have a job description writer agent that looks up the organization guidelines but also sample JDs in order to write the right job description. And once that is done, it sends to the human for review as a human in loop, gets the feedback to improve if required, otherwise it moves on to the next agent, where you have the candidate matching agent. In larger organizations, you will have your internal candidate data set like the bench. Smaller organizations, you will probably look at external candidates via LinkedIn search or from your third-party recruiting partners. So the candidate matching agent looks up the job description and looks at all the candidates and matches. And the best part is now you can also have the agent get a lot of intel about the candidate by researching their LinkedIn profile, so that the agent can decide on other parameters apart from what they mention on their resumes. The candidate research agent can go and see what the person has been posting on LinkedIn, what kind of comments do they make on LinkedIn, and then also see both technical and cultural fit as well. That's the best part about the candidate matching agent. From there, you move on to AI phone interview agent. Now, this agent can follow up with the shortlisted candidate and do an AI phone interview to collect intel on how they answer an interview, what kind of answers do they provide, etc. Now, it is optional though. You can also have, say, questionnaire-based evaluation or an AI chat-based evaluation. And once that is done, you move on to the AI phone interview analysis agent, which analyzes the transcript of all the interviews, sends its report to the human recruiter in loop, and then based on the approval, it moves on to scheduling the interview. It looks up into hiring manager's calendar and suggests slots to the candidate, follows up and sets up interview. It also sends reminder emails and follow-up emails to ensure that the candidate joins the interview. Once the interview is done, the feedback collector agent collects the feedback from the hiring manager and finally generates a hiring report for that particular job description. Even if it, say, interviewed 1,000 candidates, 10,000 candidates, it's able to now generate a detailed report, and also writes to a central hiring dashboard, allowing the recruiters to look at one single system when it comes to hiring. And if this is something that's interesting, reach out to us and we'd be happy to work with you and build your AI recruiter agent and help you automate your recruitment process.